5 clinic. This is the last topic in neonatal care. As the word indicates, under 5 clinics, these are the clinics which are run on the OPD basis for the age group of children whose age is less than 5. Under 5 clinic means this OPD is meant for the children whose age is less than 5. So what is done for these children? They are discussed under these 5 headings. Number 1 is at the apex. So there is a 2 triangles and there is one more inverted triangle in a normal triangle. So these are the triangles and there is one inverted triangle inside the triangle. So at the apex of the triangle, the care in illness. Then second is growth monitoring. Third is preventive measures. How to remember? CGP. C comes before G. G comes before P. So this is the better way. What students do? They label whatever they want. Care comes at the preventive measure. Preventive measures comes at the growth level. That is not the way. Correct way is CGP. Care in illness, growth monitoring and preventive measures. While there is one more triangle outside the triangle is that represents the health education. And inverted triangle represents the family planning methods. So at the apex of this triangle, the thing is called as care in illness. So what care of these children is taken? Care in illness. Why this has been kept at the apex? Because whenever the baby is sick, baby becomes sick, as the babies are small kids, mortality and morbidity rate is very high. Morbidity means illness, sickness and disability. That is called as morbidity. While mortality means death. There is one song called as Khalas. आइटम सॉन्ग है, सुना है क्या किसी ने? ईशा कोप्पिकर का. So that item song I compare as a mortality. So mortality contains only one thing, that is called as death, means death. While morbidity contains 3 things: illness, sickness and disability. This is asked in biology, just remember. So why it is kept as apex at the top? Care, because babies are more vulnerable to get the infectious diseases. What are the commonest infectious diseases are seen in babies? Or who takes the care of these babies? Number 1, care of the babies is taken by the mother first, then the health worker, maybe the doctor or a assistant doctor or a sisters. So care in illness is taken by either a mother or a health personnel. What are the diseases which are common in babies? The commonest diseases are in babies are: number 1 is respiratory tract infection, maybe bronchitis, pneumonia, alveolar pneumonitis. Second disease system which causes illness of the baby is GI tract, alimentary system, like gastroenteritis, which is more common in kids before the age of 5 years. So GI tract diseases, worm infestation, respiratory system diseases are more commonly seen in the babies. So care has to be taken very, very promptly. Second is growth monitoring. So once we take the care of the baby in the illness, then concentrate on the growth of the baby, whether the baby is growing properly or not. So what to do? Here the growth of the baby has to be judged by taking the weight. So in first year of life, every monthly weight of the baby has to be taken. In second year, every 2 monthly. In the third year, every 3 monthly. Weight of the baby has to be checked just to know the rough idea of weight gain or weight loss. So, in this growth monitoring, mother is automatically taught about 3 things. Number 1 is how to take care of the babies. Number 2 is about the breastfeed and the starting of the semi-solid and the liquid food to the baby. So care has to be taken properly, feeding of the baby has to be taken properly, and whether the immunization schedule has been properly supervised or not. These are the 3 things which has to be taken under the headings of growth monitoring. Now, if you consider the preventive measures are done because we don't want to get the baby to be infected. There are 6 diseases, 6 big killer diseases in babies, and against those 6 killer diseases, immunization has to be very, very carefully followed. What are those diseases? MEP, measles, tuberculosis, and pertussis or polio. Measles, tuberculosis, and polio. And DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. So these are the 6: measles, tuberculosis, polio, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. These are the 6 killer diseases against which the excellent 100% effective vaccination are available, and all these vaccines are manufactured in India. So only thing is, it is the duty of the mother and the duty of the family members to see that babies has to be immunized properly to prevent the death of the baby from these 6 major killer diseases. So this immunization schedule has to be properly planned and completed, whatever has been taught to you in the National Immunization Program or Universal Immunization Program. So, and remember, India is the only country in the world we supply 65% of the total vaccines which are required in the world. So nowadays everybody says that Indian Covishield and Covaxin vaccines are better as compared to the other vaccines. The China vaccines, they are saying they are failed, but our vaccines are doing well. So all countries in the world, they prefer Indian vaccines. So this is preventive measures has to be taken. So another preventive measures in the growth monitoring has to be taken regarding the nutritional anemia, regarding the worm infestation. So these has to be carefully, by this nutritional anemia and the worm infestation has to be seen. If the baby is suffering with the fever infection or the roundworm infection or the severe nutritional anemia, the growth will not occur. So whether the baby is growing properly or not, the growth card has to be issued to the baby in the under 5 clinic, which gives the details about the height, weight, mid-arm circumference of the baby, which will decide whether the baby is growing properly or not. So this is about the care illness, growth monitoring and the preventive measures. Now coming to the family planning. Family planning is the inverted triangle in a triangle. This has to be lined with the raised lines. Actually, these lines should be red one. Just to get the idea regarding the family planning. Why red line? Because the parents will become alert how to take care under the heading of the family planning. Because more children in the family, more children born in the family, we cannot give the proper attention to each and every child. So try to limit the family to one or two, just to give the better lifestyle to your children, better education, better nutritional measures. You can look better to your children so that their growth can occur properly. So what is advised in the family planning is use of contraceptive methods in the form of condom, in the form of Nirod, in the form of oral contraceptive measures, in the form of other measures like rhythm cycle or a calendar method that I will teach you in the classes. Next, there is a line around this triangle, outside this triangle, that is called as health education. To whom you want to give the health education? Here we give the health education to the parents, mother and the father, to the society, to the sister, nurses, paramedical workers, even doctors. They have to give the health education regarding the how to take care of illness, how to monitor the growth, how to do the preventive, how to carry out the preventive measures, and give the advice regarding the family planning. What advice you can give in the family planning is regarding MTP, regarding vasectomy, regarding tubectomy, use of contraceptive measures. So in health worker, this health education has to be given to the parents and the persons who are coming in touch with these small kids. Maybe the parents, maybe the sister, brother, paramedical workers, and even the politicians, even the common public. The health education has to be given just to get the healthy, normal child. This concludes today's lecture.